Big, small. Full, empty. I know. Hello kids, in this episode we're going to be learning all about opposites or antonyms as they're called. So are you ready? Then let's, you know the drill, go!
You're watching Teacher T Kids English TV.
Big, small, well done. Tall, short, you did it again. Beautiful, ugly, below, above, fantastic, open. Did you say closed? Great job. Clean, dirty, fantastic. Let's keep going. Now this one's easy. Night, day. Well done. Slow, fast. You're on a roll now. Let's keep going. Strong, weak, excellent. Young, old, up, down. Keep going. You're doing well, learners. Right.
Yay!
Wrong.
Oh,
Well
no.
done, kids. Happy. Sad. We're almost there. On. Off. Bad. Good. Great job, kids.
Yay!
Let's keep going. Sweet. Sour. Fantastic. Wet. Dry. Well done, kids. Well done, kiddos. That was amazing. Now you know lots of opposite words or antonyms as they are called. Keep learning, keep having fun, and remember to like and subscribe and tune in for more learning videos. I am Teacher T. Bye bye.